In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-update Google Sheets from Google Form. Google Forms and Google Sheets are built to work together, and once they're linked, your spreadsheet will fill itself out every time someone submits a response. Let's make sure that connection is set up correctly so the updates happen automatically. Start by opening your Google Form. This is the form your audience or team will fill out, and it holds the questions that will become columns in your spreadsheet. Along the top of the form, switch to the Responses tab. This tab shows you summaries and individual replies, and it's also where you connect the form to a spreadsheet. Look for the green Google Sheets icon. It looks like a small spreadsheet and sits near the response controls. Click it to link your form to a sheet. You'll be asked whether you want to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. If you choose to create a new spreadsheet, Google will suggest a name based on your form title and set everything up for you. If you prefer to keep all your data in a specific file you already use, choose an existing spreadsheet instead. When you select an existing file, the form will add a new worksheet tab inside that file, usually named after your form, so your responses stay organized without overwriting anything else. After you've made your choice, click Create to confirm. That's it, the connection is live. From this point on, every submission to the form will flow into the linked Google Sheet automatically in real time. You don't need add-ons, scripts, or manual imports. If you have the sheet open while someone submits a response, you'll see a new row appear almost instantly. A few things to keep in mind as you work. The first row in the sheet becomes your header, using your question titles as column names. There's also a timestamp column so you can track when each response arrived. If you later edit your form by adding new questions, you'll see new columns appear in the sheet to match. Try not to delete or reorder the header row or the timestamp column, as those help keep the link stable. Respondents do not need access to the spreadsheet, they only interact with the form, while you and your collaborators can analyze the data in Sheets. With this setup, your data collection is hands-off and always up to date, giving you a clean, reliable source of truth for reporting and analysis.